How well are 034 springs on factory dampers? Curious about the TTRS 8S. We don't have springs for that application, but
Yeah, we do.
oh, for the 8S. Sorry, I thought.
Oh,
you
you
said
said AJ.
Yes, we do have a
Yeah, we definitely haven't put
TTRS springs. 034 springs work perfectly with factory dampers because that's how we design them. So actually, a lot of people ask us, "Oh, can I swap out to Bilstein shocks or whatever?" And we always say, "No, just keep with the factory dampers because that's what we design and test our springs for." So we take what the springs pairing with the factory damper. We further optimize it from what the factory does. The factory is more concerned about comfort and making the car comfortable to drive for all people. We know that you guys are looking to go fast and you're sporting and you don't mind a little additional stiffness in the suspension. Still very comfortable to drive, still very streetable. Also works wonderfully on track, but all of our springs are designed to work with factory dampers. Our 8S suspension program is amazing. You put all our stuff on a TTRS and it's a weapon.
Oh yeah, and you get the alignment dialed in. That thing's
and if you know how to drive, you can go to any racetrack. You will and just flash it with stage 1 E85 or something, and you'll be passing GTRS whatever you want. Very 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 fast, very capable. Especially if the Porsche guy doesn't quite know how to drive super great.
yeah,
which is very very
driver mod is very much a big thing at the track. Yes.
Yeah. In fact, one year I had a Volkswagen Rabbit. It was a Mark VI, and we called it Giovanna Race. And we went to the track, and it was a stock Volkswagen Golf Rabbit with a 5-cylinder. And all I did was put Hawk race pads on the factory brakes, and I put 15-inch Steelies with some R compound tires on it. I think it may have had a rear sway bar as well, but that's it. And when I went to Sears Point, the entire goal was to pass every R8 on track that weekend, and I did with a stock Rabbit with 170 horsepower. But it's not because it was so much faster than an R8. It was plenty fast, but you can have a lot of fun if you're a good driver in just about any car.
All we draw from the slow cars are more fun on track too.
Yeah, they can be. Which is like the whole 034 concept.